Say hi.
How about here? Bobo.
Ito baga-asay na nga lang ang focus eh.
Eh, anong gagawin ko? Siyempre, magtatanong kayo, oh. Tanong kasi kayo.
Bakit ito parang ano? Ang ganda ng view.
Hindi nga, totoo, maganda ka.
Of course.
Sabi ni, no?
Sabi nila lahat.
Uy, sino nagsabi?
Sila.
Sino sila?
Ayan,
Sino iyan?
Di ba, maganda ako? Oh.
Ah! Magbigay ka nga ng kasabihan.
Wala naman tao.
Oo nga. Wala naman tao. Oh.
Wala naman ikaw kausap.
Oh.
Anong gusto mo? What do you want me to do?
Magbigay ka ng kasabihan, yung pinapaniwalaan mo sa buhay mo.
I believe in, I thank you.
Can you sing?
Yeah, of course.
Try?
What kind of song do you like?
No. Look at me now.
Wait. I forgot.
Susan!
Break even.
I forgot to.
Addicted.
I don't like that.
Why?
Because it's addict.
Gone.
What's gone?
No, gone.
Gone. I thought it's gangbang.
Okay, you sing.
You first.
Now gone.
What kind of thing is that?
I don't know.
Are you crazy now?
Yes, like you.
Another song.
Give me songs. Go.
Give me some.
Jet lag.
No.
What?
I want...
Nobody.
Nobody body bat.
Can you dance?
What kind of band?
Kendeng,
Go-go
kendeng.
dance.
Kendeng.
Kendeng, kendeng.
Teach me how to dog. Teach me how to dog. Teach me how to dog. Can you swim?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Can I see the techniques? No. No, like this. This.
Hey, you. Hey, you.
Can you plank? No, can you plank?
I don't like. There's no place for you to plank.
Here.
I plank on your face.
I plank on your.
Yep.
Do you know what's cat?
Yeah, it's the small fruit. You know, some orange? Yeah,
You takot me.
the orange. The big one. The cat, the small version of orange. Yeah, that's right.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit? Oh, it's
Adam's
fruit
cocktail.
Your favorite food?
My favorite food? I want cake, ice cream.
Dessert, yun.
Yeah, but it's also a food.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of food?
Ulam.
Meal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want
Caldereta?
No, I want
Adobo.
vegetable.
Ooh,
I'm vegetarian. Chop suey.
Ina mo, hindi mo tayo na-upload.
Sir Eric,
Ako mag-upload.
Sir Atticus.
Let me think first.
Yeah, go ahead.
Who's your favorite professor here? School. Miss Buo?
No, she hates me. I hate them more.
Why?
I don't know. I thought I failed in her subject, but then I passed.
Wala eh.
What else?
That's life. Do you miss Iana?
Yeah, definitely, maybe.
My FM static.
Yeah, I miss her so much.
Say hi to her.
Hi, Iana. You miss me.
It's good.
Hi, Iana. Did you miss me because I miss you?
No, you to me.
No.
Do you love us?
You
Yeah.
guys, I love you so much. Who me?
Who me?
Who me? What's me? Who me? You? It's a Chinese character. Who me? You guys are going crazy, huh? My head is about to explode.
Say something about your friends.
My friend is what I value the most.
Yeah! Okay. More.
They are very important to me in times of in times of bed and multiply and
In times of Filipino subject.
in times of hardship, hardships. That's hard.
That's the big ship.
Yeah, it's times of hardship. They're always there to lean on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, say goodbye to the camera.
Wow.
To the audience. Huwag muna.
I want more exposure.
Say hi to Willie Revillame.
Hi, Kuya! I miss you, Mama! Chup chup!
Pangalan ka dali, pangalan. Willie Revillame. Putang ina, naputol na. O, game ulit. Hanggang 10 minutes lang.
Hi to my little time, big time family. I miss you all, guys. Hope to see you soon.
Mama, chup chup.
Mama, chup.
I love you, bossing.
I love you, bossing, Mama, chup chup.
Not enough memory for video.
What else?
Oh, no.
What else?
Save the memory card, yes. Okay, say bye. And say thank you
Well, I just want to thank my
to your sponsors.
sponsors, RDs for my accessories. St. Peter for my makeup. What more?
Center for your blush on. May makeup na pala.
Wait.
To your dress.
My dress. Aling Bebe's tailoring. And my what do you call this one?
Dress.
Sarah?
Yes.
Sarah?
Yes.
My Sarah too.
Yana.
Yana's mother, Tita, what is
Gina.
Tita Gina Santiago. Thank you, Tita. I miss you.
Okay, say goodbye to your fans.
Thanks for the support for my fans, my admins. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate and I love you so much. Bye.
Bye.
See you next week.